Hi everyone. Welcome to AI Logic Works, where we just don't talk about AI, we make it work right. So, today we are going to create something really practical and cool, both at the same time. Yeah. So, we are going to make voice AI appointment setter, which will talk to your clients, take that important information like their name, email address, phone number, and check the availability and do the booking for it all automatically. So, excited? But why? Why we need that? Well, let's be real for a second and talk about the current scenario. So, humans often forget. Sometimes they miss the important calls or do the double booking and sometimes just ghost the client forever. And on the other hand, clients' requirements are totally opposite. They want their booking to be fast and get their call attend instantly and just don't want to get on long hold with that piano music from 1960. Yeah, we hate that. That's where AI appointment setter comes in. It will answer the calls 24 by 7 without taking any leave and book your appointment with the correct information and update your records. So, let's do the practical how to build your first voice AI agent. And wait a minute, before that, let me give you a quick tip.
Hi, my name is Veronica. How can I help you today?
Hi, Veronica. I would like to make a booking.
Awesome. I can help you with that. Can you please tell me your full name?
Yeah, it's in the treat.
Thanks, Cinderpreet. Now, could you let me know your preferred date and time for the consultation?
Tomorrow at 1 p.m.
Got it. So that's tomorrow at 1 p.m. Just to confirm, can I have your phone number and email address, please?
Yeah, it's 123456789, and my email ID is inder@test.com.
Thanks for that. Just to clarify, your phone number is 123456789 and your email is in at test.com. So to confirm, your full name is Inderpreet and you want to book a consultation for tomorrow at 1 p.m. Is that correct?
Correct.
Um, it looks like tomorrow at 1 p.m. is actually not available, but no worries. Here are the available times for your consultation: 9 a.m., 10 a.m., 11 a.m., 12 p.m., 2 p.m., 3 p.m., 4 p.m., 5 p.m. Please pick one of these times.
No worries. Go with the 4 p.m.
Great choice. So we'll book your consultation for tomorrow at 4 p.m. Just to confirm, your details are full name, Interpret phone number 123456789, email in at test.com, consultation date and time. Tomorrow at 4
Correct.
p.m. Is everything correct? Awesome. Your appointment is all set for tomorrow at 4 p.m. Is there anything else you'd like to know or need help with?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. If you need anything else, just give us a shout. Have a great day.
You see how the things work. So basically, who needs this kind of services? Honestly, the business who books appointment like salon, clinics, therapist, consultant, coaches, freelancer, and agency, service business like carpenter, plumber, auto repair, and basically all who deals within calendar. Whether you are solo or managing your team, AI automation will make your life easier and enhance your productivity, all while saving you a lot of money. Because missed call equals to missed cash. Okay, in this video, I will guide you step by step how to build an AI appointment setter from scratch and with just simple three tools. Yeah, you heard me right. That powerful yet simple, beginner friendly tools. First is make.com, and second is Retell AI, and third is Google Calendar. So, to make the both system work seamlessly, AI system will be handle the three main scenarios that are integral to all appointment booking systems. Three smart scenarios for appointment booking. Scenario 1, weekend booking blocker. If the user tried to book on a holiday like Saturday or Sunday, the system should ask them to pick a weekend instead. And scenario 2 will be business hour guard. If a user select a time outside your business hours, like midnight, the system should guide them to choose a timeline within available hour. And let's move to system scenario 3, sorry, time slot suggestion. Once a valid date is selected, the system should show 5 available time slots so the user can easily choose. These will be the three main scenarios which AI system should follow. If you are new to this channel and wondering who I am, my name is Indrapreet Singhal. I run this channel AI Logic Works where I teach how to build a powerful AI automation systems with no code or minimum code. And I'm also a founder of ORIVO AI, an AI agency which helps the business to run automation using AI, which ultimately saves business time, streamline their workflows, get them more clients, and boost their productivity also, save them the money. Okay, so now what steps we are going to cover in this video? Step number 1, how to create a voice assistant using Retell AI, how to create a good prompt to get the desired results, and how to create tools in make.com and then use them function call to perform a certain action. So there you go. That's the plan. So here you go. That's the plan. These were the main scenarios and steps we had to follow. This video will be a comprehensive step-by-step guide to build a basic voice appointment setter that will cover 75% of the business need. However, if your business requirement a bit different or advanced, I will suggest you to book a free discovery call with my agency, ORIVO AI. We will help you to plan and build a solid or a perfect solution for your business. I will drop my link in the description to book a call with me. Now, grab your coffee and get your system ready because we are going to make a super easy AI voice agent who is going to book appointment automatically. Ready? Let's go. So now, let us start with the step 1, which is creating a voice assistant in Retell AI. So before jumping into the process, I would like to give some information about the platform we are using like Retell AI and make.com. So Retell AI is a platform which enables businesses to create AI powered voice agent and text agents which help them to handle the customers. These agents perform tasks like do the surveys, book appointments, or cater the queries or handle the queries, whatever the customers ask across the platforms. Like if I talk about text, it will handle queries from your website or your WhatsApp. And if I talk about voice agent, it will cater the customer through inbound calls and outbound calls. On the other hand, make.com is no code automation uh, tool, I would say, which get the information from one platform and synchronize that to other platforms. Like in our case, we are doing the booking appointment agent, right? So it will gather the information like name, phone number, email address from the Retell AI agent and get it and give it to the Google Calendar so that it can schedule with those information. Here is how it all fits together. Someone calls your business, Retell AI voice agent gonna interact with them and collect their information like name, email ID, phone number, their address if necessary. Then send that information to the Google Calendar. All this information received and sent will automatic done by the make.com platform. Now, the interesting part is before making any kind of booking, make.com platform will check the availability slot in your Google account. Imagine how smart the AI automation system is. So, I hope I make the point clear what is retail and what is make. So now let's jump into the process. So now we are on the Retell AI dashboard. And first thing first, after creating an account, we have to create a single prompt agent. And in single prompt, we have templates like health, checkup, and notification, multi-prompt for the lead qualification and dentist rescheduling, and a conversation flow. We will discuss all these in our later video. So today we are creating a booking appointment. So we will start from the scratch. So now here we have to write a prompt, the role of agent, conversation style, and objective, etc. And here is the LLM, large language model, which we have to use, and we have to use the latest one. And also on the right side, we have an amount which it charge. It's of per minute charge. And for our case, we will go with the 4.0 mini. And other thing is voice. What voice we can use, right? I normally like an Emu American middle age, which is by the 11 Labs. It is much optimized, so I mostly like this. And the English we have to use, we use English in of US English. And here you can see that there is an agent ID, and other is LLM ID. LLM ID of this we are using here, and the charges it will take per minute. And other thing is 820 and 1000 milliseconds latency. And what is latency? Latency means when a customer asks something, the AI agent have to reply about that. The duration between the question and answer is the latency. The larger the latency, the agent will lately reply about that. So the less is better. So it's perfectly fine if it's 820 and 1000 milliseconds. And here we have functionality, knowledge base, and other factors. So functions is where we will connect the make.com, and how you will get to know in the process above. Another thing is knowledge base. Knowledge base is nothing just about information about your product or a service, whether it's a video, whether it's a PDF or PPT or a script, I would say, which your company or your client, your employees follows. Any information regarding important information regarding your product or service to understand AI agent better to understand your things will get into this knowledge base. And here is the audio, and other is LLM. LLM is a text based, and audio, as I already told you before, and also in the demo we use that audio. So first thing first, we have to create a prompt here. So in the prompt, I already created a basic prompt which express the role, the time zone we have to follow, and with that function calls we have to perform, examples we have to give, and tasks. So I have to copy it and put it here and save it right here. So, what the role is says, you are a Veronica for a happy dental clinic, a dental clinic located at 123 Avenue. It's a dummy address, India. We offer dental care services with a focus on comfort and quality. Your role is to assist potential patients in understanding our services and schedule dental consultations. So, the role is clear here, and other information we are providing is the working hour and the working days and weekend is off. It's clearly mentioned. So, your task is to answer question about the clinic and booking consultation. If patient wishes to schedule a consultation, your goal is to gather necessary information from caller in a friendly and efficient manner, like ask their full name, their preferred date and time for consultation, take response exactly as given. For example, if they say tomorrow, the appointment should be set for tomorrow. For reference, today is the date. So the command, the prompt written till here is nothing than the information how an AI agent should behave and what are their roles specifically and what information is important to gather. These are the and other thing is the time zone. We have to tell them the time zone we are currently working with, and after that how to spell out means uh, the email address is a bit complex to understand for AI agent, so we have to give that information correctly, and AI agent get that information correctly is more important. So how to spell an email address, we have written that. The .com things, regular English to pronounce the website or email ID extensions like .com, .org, .co.in, and the name. So after that, once the customer name, phone number, email address, and consultation start time have been confirmed, run the booking appointment function. We will create function. You will get to know what the function is. Ask the user if they would like to know anything else, and be short and simple. Use casual language, phrase. So we have to train that model that a natural or a human likely should behave and sound as well. It should not sound robotic. That's why each and every notations and nuances we have to clear, we have to indicate. And most important about this prompt is we have to give an examples so that they understand the scenario a bit better and bit easy. Like, hi, thank you for calling Happy Dental Clinic. We offer dental care service like cleaning, filling in, cosmetic dentist. How can I help you today? And the user will reply, I want to booking appointment for dental service. And okay, great. Service including regular checkup, cleaning, root canal, even cosmetic procedures, teeth whitening. The best way to learn more is to come in the first of consultation so you meet our friendly staff, see a clinic. So these were the examples which we have to give to the agent to understand the things better. Now, another thing is you can look appointment setter. So now, what is this? Welcome message. There are three type of welcome message. First, when the customer initiate the conversation. Second is dynamic, and third is what we want uh, customer should say. Oh, sorry, agent should say like, "Hi, my name is Ronika. How can I help you today? So let us test. We then start. See, how my name is Brindika. How can I help you today? I wanted to book an point. Awesome, I can help with you with that. Can you please tell me your full name? As we already give him the instruction about the full name, right? So, are you getting how the things are going? S- Excellent. Now, could you tell me your preferred date and time? Wallah. So, ask for the preferred date and time. I hope now you're getting why the role and the tasks, giving them information, the correct things are important. Um, so I will not process ahead because I did not get any kind of uh, functions attached to that. For that, we have to move to make.com. So we will create a new scenario here and name it. First will be checking the appointment. Uh, all right. First, we will create a webhook. Webhook will get the information, receive the information from Retell AI, clinic checker. Same. Now the link here, the address is really important. We have to copy that and get it here. Also, there are other templates which we can use, but for this video, I will go with the custom so that you can understand the thing better. So we have to copy the URL here, the webhook URL here, and we will name it as check appointment. So for the description, we will get a help with this. So now in description, we will describe the function is used to check the availability of appointment for a given date and time. It is valid whether the request time fall with the clinic working hour, which is important, 9 to 5 in the sun time, Monday to Friday, and whether the request time is free or already booked. This is a very important. But what if the time a person wants to book is already booked by someone else? So for that, the request time is free or not is more important. So we already written that command. If we follow, if available, then continue. If not, show them the other available time slots. So we clear our message here. And the important thing is other is parameters schema, which we will create schema. Yes, I told you that it will be no code. So this is I did not create any of this code. Like do this. If we go with the example, like here, if I click on the example 1, 2, or 3, they already given you a structure of the code. So what you have to do is according to your requirement, you have to make some changes with that. Like we are booking an appointment. So important thing is name, email address, and phone number, booking time and date, right? So for that, uh, The type will be object. The property, here we can change from the name, phone number, email address, or appointment time or date, right? Type will be exactly string, and description we have to describe a bit about the properties we have written above, like name of the person has to be full name, first and last name. And requirement, as you know, to process the procedure ahead, we have to make some uh, information required. So in our case, everything is required. So with that, I just save my time, created all this schema. So as you can see, type is object, properties, appointment details, type is object again, property name is date and time, type is string, format, I need a date, time. Describe the appointment date and time is ISO 860 format, including the Indian Standard Time Zone, with an example of 2025 5:10 So what is this? This is a description. Now, make.com as well as google.com understand the ISO format of date. ISO format means, as given in this example as well, that it should be first of all in a digit form. First will be year, second will be month, then date, and following with the hour, minutes, and second, and after that the time zone. Time zone you have to change it according to your time zone. If it's um, Los Angeles, it will be according to your time zone, standard time zone. So following with that, required, as I already told you, the property, date and time. Now, other thing is user detail, which we have to capture. Here will be the phone number, the phone number string, the phone number of the user, full name, object, full name, their first name of the user, last name of the user. It's really basic and it's really simple. It's not a rocket science. It's come under the no code, because with an example you just have to tweak some of the changes according to your requirement. You will get a standard template, and the working I am doing here, the resources you will get in my description. The platforms like Retell AI and make.com, I will give you the real website link in my description. So let's move ahead. I will save this. So just to check our things are working or not, to save this, let's give a quick run and give a new test. Manual chat. Want to book points. And tomorrow by 1 p.m. So now just to confirm, yes, we will say, voila, we get that. The information will be in arguments. Appointment details will be the date I have requested for tomorrow. Today is 11th May, tomorrow is 12th. Requested for the 1 p.m. So it's 13 over here. And user information is my information, like full name in the Britsing, and other information I didn't provide, so it's not here. So it means working fine, right? So we have to connect it with the process, so that checking appointment means first they will get that date is free or not. If free, then the slot is free or not. If the slot is booked, then the workflow come up with the other available slots so that the booking can process smoothly. So now we have to attach one important thing which is in LLM, ChatGPT. Create a completion ChatGPT prompt. So first thing first, we have to create here. I already created a ChatGPT. You have to get an API for that. And just to guide you guys, to get that API, we go to this Open API overview and start building. We have to give our organization name. It's not necessary. You can give your name as well. Describe you. Let's go with the not technical. Create organization. Invite team leader. Make test. Okay, we'll do this later. I will buy this later as well. So now API keys. Now under the organization, the API keys, you have to create an API. Unique appointment setter for project create. So this is really important. This is your API key. You have to copy it and store somewhere really safe. So when you add it, it's under your API key. Name it and save it. So you have that, right? We go with this and model. As I already told you, we will follow the 4.0 mini system. So another thing is we have to add message. Important thing is role. So user, assistant, and developer system. Developer system, we have to choose. Why we are choosing the system? Uh, get the instructions. What and how we have to follow. So what will be the instructions are instructions will be something like we have just asked the user when they would like to book an appointment or meeting. We will provide it with the current date and their response. Convert user request into ISO as I already told you about it. 860 date and time frame. Only input JSON with the exact time, start and end time. This is the examples. Same. And rules are, as I already discussed with you, that it's 9 to 5 p.m. and start and end time should be the same. The output should not include any explanation or output should not start with any curly bar. So we have to add now user. For user, we have instructions like the output it will uses. This is the current date and time format. What format? ISO format. Now means the current uh, time. it's calculated as now. The following are year, month, day, hour, minute, and AM PM within time zone. This is when user would like to book an appointment. So here we will add what user asks under the argument. Go with the date and time. So you have to just put it here and save. All right. So now again we will try with the new you know point saying tomorrow by 2 p.m. Let me do this just to confirm. And for that, please hold a moment. As I already booked for 1 p.m., I think that's the reason they are not giving me that. So I will go with 12 p.m. would be fine. Good choice. Could you please provide a number? And my email address is test at dot correct. Oops, I think we have missed something. Okay, there must be any issue within API, I think. I just, okay, the crucial and important part is the token. The token should not be greater than 300 or lesser than 250. Okay, so we have to test it again. Wait for the new data. Recheck for a point. Yes. Failed to get LLM response. Okay, we have to create again now. So, so you are watching everything raw and real. So whatever the error is coming, we have to take it very positively, and do not get frustrated because this is how things work. Boring things work. Sure. Mm. Tomorrow by 2 p.m. Okay. Oh, 10 a.m. Ah, now I get it. So what it get is user information. I think it was an old dot. We will create it. Okay. We are going with the 10 a.m. Sure, my number is and it's test at me.com. So yeah, sure. Right. That's correct. Perfect. Now it's working. So we do not get afraid if any kind of error we are getting. This eventually this is a system. It will may fall or work perfectly fine. So here we are getting a details as well that it's of 10 a.m. tomorrow 12. My name, my phone number, and my email address, and it is same here. Get under the choice. I would say collection messages, start time and end time is tomorrow after 9. It's perfect. So now, other thing we have to add is we have to add JSON trace, and what it is to communicate ChatGPT use some set of rules which is followed by the JSON. Whatever the information ChatGPT get, and whatever the information it has to give to other uh, tools, or I would say platforms, it has to go through the channel of JSON. The JSON language ChatGPT understand. So we will create, let's say, clinic check and add an item for here. We will first uh, do the division of the dates. Like, let's go start time, text, and end time. It will be again text. Why we are doing this? Because how does an AI agent or ChatGPT get to know that what is Saturday and what is Sunday? So we have to define that within a week, the working days we want appointment, and on weekdays, weekends, we will not entertain any kind of booking. So here we will go with the message and start time and the end time. Here you can see these were the booking start time and end time. So the whole complete day, save it. Yeah, we know that. We will add another tools which is set variable date of week. So it will be formatted as date, format date, and here we will get the start date, starting of the time schedule, DD. DD means DDD is Saturday, Sunday, Monday. DDDD means Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and DD is Saturday and Sunday. It's a bit of uh, coding language here. So now, other things we have to attach is a router, because DD cover the Saturday, Sunday, and what about the other days? So we have to divide that. So for that, we will use router, and router first filter will be weekdays. Fallback condition will be It will be day of week. So day of week will be mm, 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 if the week is Saturday or if the date of the week is Sunday. SA for Saturday, SU for Sunday, and save. If the Saturday or Sunday, the response will be webhook response will be. So there is a proper format to give the response, which is here. We will copy it and put it right here in the body. Tool call ID. Tool call ID will be in the webhook transcript with tool call. Here is the tool call ID, and with the result, you have to give them the result. We do not. Sorry, sorry. To get the for we. Sorry, we are not available on weekend, but you can do the booking on weekdays from Monday to Friday. Say, so this is the one. And what if the user book on weekdays? So it will follow the this track, this track. So we will get them the Google Calendar right here and create a free or a busy schedule, busy information. And here we have to connect our Google Calendar ID. It will be easy. You will just follow add button and sign in with your Google account. Get back here and just select your account here. For the maximum time, we will follow the start time here, and for the minimum time we have the start time add, and for the maximum time we will add end time, and for calendar we will select undo the man and select your primary account and save it. And now we have to add a router again. Why so? Because in those days there will be time slots available and not available as well. So if the time slot is not available, we will set a filter, say not available. Sorry, not fallback. Yes, and save and get the response again. And get here. Tool call ID will be same, and here the message will be sorry. There is no time slot available. Sorry, this time slot is not available. Save now. And on the other hand, we have to now add a JSON. Here we will create JSON and add a data, say just 2 or 4, I would say, just a name. And with the name is array mm, text is not collection. Array is nothing, just a set of information. For example, if in a day we have multiple slots available, so multiple means a collection of data. Array is just get those collection of data in a concise way. This is a array, and type will be collection. Specification will be start time. Text date about it to date, and other item will be same. S- and I will say TM, not to get confused. TN, start time and end time. View at date. So, which start time and end time? We have to map it. Okay, so first we have to create a bit of information right here. Only then we will get our data. Let's run in once. Uh, let's go. Like this. Run. Wait for a new. Check it. Just give a bit time and test it again. I play send tomorrow by let's test it 7 p.m. Ah, that's great. We are had to close at 5 p.m. So we are on the right track. Means then 3 p.m. Perfect. So consult. Sure, it's to the test at mail.com. Correct. Everything is correct. Here, get the information. Okay, so the areas missing value parameters. What parameters are missing? Start time and end time. We have to add this start time, this end time. Now save and connect to this. We will get a calendar or data and busy. Why busy? Busy will get the information. What will be the start and the end time, date and time slots available. So after that, we will give it to the Chatgpt here, prompt, and things. Model will be again 4.0 we are using. We have to definitely make sure about the token. It's 250 I am using. And the message we will get is role. Uh, First of all, we will give them a set of instructions, which is important. the role set of information is. So I have written that you will provide with a busy slot from the calendar. Now you're understanding why I selected JSON with the calendar of busy. Between 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. after extracting the busy slot, just output the available time and date. Your role is to convert any time zone into IST zone perfectly. And I just express the working hours of provided available time slots. If the busy time slots is to 9 and 5, it means there is no time slots available. So now another message will be added is the user. User means what act we will, what output we will expected. Output we are expecting is the busy slot which we are getting from the JSON right here, JSON string, and it has to understand the start and the end date pair represent one busy slot to make it more convenient. So now we will just get a hook, response hook. Here's the response hook. As I already described this as well, we just have to change the results. These are the slots available for the day, and here we will add the choice message and content. Save. Now we have to save it again. All the scenarios are complete. Just let us recheck it again with this. Now I hope so. Let me run it once. Use with the new. Now let's see how it works. Yes. .com. Mm, yeah, sure. It's tomorrow at 12 p.m. Tomorrow. Confirm that tomorrow. You check the availability once available time tomorrow. Okay. Ah, correct. I just want to stick with the time. Okay, now the things are working. They are suggested me other time slots. Let's just go with the 1 p.m. Yes, everything is correct. Perfect. Everything without any error. We have successfully done the checking appointment. As you can see, I have earlier tried to book for the 12 p.m. It's just it's not available. So with the prompt we have given it and revert back is suggested me other important time slots which were available. I selected from there and we get the right information at the right. So what next is the booking part. We have to create again a function which name will be booking. Description. Description is this tool is used to book a clinic appointment once the user confirms their full name, email address, phone number, preferred appointment, date, time. provide date, time, everything. Asia. Somewhat similar with the check availability. The instructions are same because we are doing the same thing, but here we will indicating it. If the availability is correct, you have to get that booking done. And we have to now go to webbook and create a new scenario name with the booking appointment. So first thing first, as I already told you, custom webhook trigger when webhook receive data. And booking in the save, we get that URL hook, and most important, the parameters will be again the same. Already defined each and every steps before. Everything will be same. We will save here, and we just connected that. Now we have to go to the main make.com and create the automation. So we will just add a Google Calendar here, create an event, select our ID here. In details, we will add our calendar ID. Event will be first. I think we have to run once again. Only then it will run. So we should delete it and again run. So now it's active. And think it's let it active again. Why we are doing this? We are doing this because it once it get active, it will receive the data. We will just check it here. I in the pre thing. Yes. Tomorrow for 1 p.m. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. My favorite number. Best at create have gone very original ID. Uh, correct. It's just went through the system and swiped waiting. Okay, sure. Let's see. We get the information here. Our name, our phone number, email address, and the booking appointment with the time. Everything is perfect. Now we will create a Google Calendar, create an event. In the event, we will select our connection and calendar ID. Here, booking for clinic appointment booking for clinic on the appointment booking for. We will give the name here, person's name. This start date will be the date, appointment date. We will not give them the end date. Duration will be 0030 for 30 minutes. Save. Now again we will add a webhook response 200 status. No, caller ID state great. Your appointment has been booked for. Your appointment has been booked for argument appointment date. Wait, from the appointment date which we have selected from here. Arguments appointment date. Now save and save this as well. Now we will save this as well. Make it active. Wait for the new data. Run. Both are running. And we will wait right here. Tomorrow is 12. Let's see what will happen. Let me remove this as well. This one was for the demo, which I have just shown you before. Hmm, let's let's run the final test. Just hold on your breath. We are almost there. Created our first AI voice assistant. Here I am using the text LLM, but in the voice it will be same. I will also give you that as well. With how it looks like in the voice and same. Yes, for tomorrow 1 p.m. Deep projects tested. Oh, do not change the point with away. I can stick with that. Let's see what it tells. Show up. Still, okay. Okay. Wait, product appointment booking is done. See, are we able to see? Isn't it great? Now, just give me a second so that I will show you that how it will be work on voice. So here you will see.
Hi, my name is Veronica. How can I help you today?
Hi, my name is Inderpreet Singh and I would like to make a booking.
Awesome, Singh. I'd be happy to help you with that. Can you please provide me with your full name, phone number,
Yeah,
email,
it's
and your preferred
Inderpreet
date and
Singh and my email address is test@mail.com and my phone number is 123456789. My
thanks for
preferred
that,
date
Singh.
will be tomorrow by uh, 3 p.m.
Just to confirm, you want to book a consultation for tomorrow in the afternoon. Let me check the available times for you. Here are the available time slots for tomorrow: 9 a.m., 10:30 a.m., 1 p.m., 2:30 p.m.,
9 a.m.
4
would be
p.m.
perfect.
Please let me. Great choice. Just to confirm, here's what I have: full name, Singh, phone number 1234567 8. 9. Email test@mail.com consultation date and time. Tomorrow at 9 a.m. Is everything correct?
No, I think you are not getting my name correct. Please correct my name. My name is Inderpreet Singh.
Got
Inderpreet. Inderpreet Singh.
Got it. Let me confirm again. Full name INDEPRITSINGH. Phone number 12345678. 9. Email test@mail.com consultation date and time. Tomorrow at 9 a.m. Is everything correct now?
Now everything is correct. Just go for the booking, please.
Uh-oh. It looks like the appointment for tomorrow at 9 a.m. is fully booked. No worries, though. Here are the other available time slots for tomorrow. 10:30 a.m., 1 p.m., 2:30 p.m., 4 p.m. Which one works for you?
Sure. Just go with the 1 p.m. then.
Perfect. Just to confirm, full name INDAPRITSINGH. Phone number 1234567 9. Email test@mail.com consultation date and time. Tomorrow at 1 p.m. Is everything correct?
Everything is correct.
Awesome. Your appointment has been successfully booked for tomorrow at 1 p.m. Is there anything else you'd like to know or need help with?
As you see, um, this model itself is not the prominent one. We have to make much more refinement into that. That the name should be correct, and some of my mistakes as well, that I was not uh, running the scenarios immediately. There is an option. Let me show you. Here you will see there is an option of immediate as data arrive. If I click here and will not run this once and just I click here, to whenever the data came, it will automatically process. And what the smart LLM was doing, this is my mistake that I didn't um, on it. So it will not receive make.com is not connected to that. So what it will doing was suggesting me the other time. So the other customer on the other hand will not able to understand whether it's a mistake or whether it's um, something else. The function is running or he's getting answers from the AI agent. So it will automatically understand that it maybe it's a busy slot. So I will book some other slot. So it's really smart move, I would say. And so yeah, just tell me how would you like it, and please drop your comments. And whatever you feel like, this was the first time I was describing uh, how to get the things done with the booking appointment AI agent, how to make. Uh, as I started from the scratch, this was also your first AI agent. So congratulations for that. I hope you're learning from my mistakes so that you cannot waste your time. And for that, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. I would like to hear your comment, your thoughts. Uh, Please bear with me. So see you in the next video. See ya.